Tuesday, July the 27th on the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat. I've got your Tuesday astrological forecast. Before we get started, we're going to become balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity leaving our bodies is being replaced by this beautiful white light that not only fills our entire bodies with white light, love, and the will to good, but then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, all toxicity, all back right where it came from. So while we are in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we are going to say our Leo affirmation. I am one with all I see, and I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. We're going to say that together, and then we'll stay in the space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. Let's say it together now. I am part of all I see, and all I see is part of me. Good. When we're in this space, when we're experiencing that 5 seconds with our connected with our higher selves, really feel how everything is contained within us and we are part of everything else. That is what we're trying to get to with this affirmation. Well, it's Tuesday. We have a little shift in energy today. Our friend Mercury is leaving Cancer and now moving into Leo today, joining the sun in Leo. So now our communication, as I said on Sunday, becomes very flowery. We're very charismatic. We express ourselves so well. We express our passion well, our feelings well. We're into socializing, chatting with our friends, discussing movies maybe, really getting into just really socializing, communicating with friends. It's a great time to start even a new relationship, even a new romantic interest maybe out there waiting for us. And now we have the exact words we need to attract them like a magnet. So now, but today, right on the heels of Mercury going into Leo, we have a Mercury in Leo in conjunct Jupiter in Pisces. Now I'm thinking about this energy, and first of all, I want to repeat what I said yesterday. We are feeling very full of ourselves, very sure of ourselves, and are feeling our own self-importance. So we just tell everyone, including our significant other, how it is, but they may not be on the same page with us. And they may take our expression and our perfect communication as offensive, as confrontative. So let's not hurt anyone's feelings today just because we're so full of ourselves. Let's calm it down and remember the other, and they may not be in the same space that we are in. Now, another little thing that comes up with this inconjunct, it's an inconjunct. We usually don't talk about them. They're little irritants. They're all around this month when the sun's in Leo, but they're trying to get us to move these skeletons out of the closet. They're trying to poke us, these inconjuncts. They're telling us, come on, redirect that energy, realign that energy, or release that energy. Let's go. Poke, poke, poke. Well, we have this inconjunct with Mercury in Leo now, and it is inconjunct Jupiter still in Pisces. It's retrograding. Tomorrow it's going to go back, retrograde back into Aquarius. So I'm saying this is our last chance to pull that Jupiter skeleton out of that closet. What missed opportunities are there that we need to re-look at in our lives? Where haven't we been truthful as far as who we are and what we can or cannot do? We have been telling ourselves some fibs so that we don't have to be true to ourselves and take this opportunity. So we have one more chance today to look at those Jupiter skeletons and to start working on them, because tomorrow, when Jupiter retrogrades back into Aquarius, it's a whole freaking new ball game. We've got Aquarius, which is very unpredictable. So we can expect that these skeletons may be popping out of our closet without our knowledge. And all of a sudden they're standing right in front of us, and there's other people there too. So, if we haven't taken an opportunity, this is the time to really look at that again. If we don't have faith in ourselves, if we are questioning ourselves, why are we doing this? If our outer world is not reflecting who we have grown to be as far as our faith, our beliefs, our perspectives, these are the things that we're looking at. And if, as of tomorrow, like I say, they may pop up for us unexpectedly. So we'd like to be proactive about that if we can today. All right, good stuff. Oh, yes, yes. And now today, the moon still is in Pisces, so we are emotional. We're kind of operating from our emotions. So be very cognizant and very conscious of the emotions that come up for us today, because they are pointing us to those skeletons in our closet. If we have a Jupiter skeleton in our closet, we aren't happy with where we're at with our job. We're frustrated. We're exhausted. We are negative, we are pessimistic. These are indications that we have a Jupiter skeleton in the closet that we need to take a look at today. Because tomorrow, it might just pop out, right? Without us knowing it. So, okay, what advice do we have for us today on this Tuesday, July the 27th, with the Mercury in Leo? We're going to start off with Watchers, transpersonal. And then we're going to move to Garden of Venus, rest and renewal. And finally, gathering around, the power of community. Okay, So today, remember, we're defaulting to emotions. We're coming from emotions. So what we want to do is bring our attention and our focus out of the emotions and overview what we're seeing. So if we're having a particularly sensitive exchange with someone who's important to us, and it doesn't look like it's going well, they're getting upset, they're getting insulted, offended, or what, step back, look at the big picture. Don't focus. It's not a time to focus on me. It's time to focus on the whole picture so we know how best to address it. Don't forget our home, and don't forget our meditation. This came up yesterday. It's coming up again today. It's our rest and our renewal. We can find that when we quiet ourselves and center ourselves and meditate, however that means. It might just mean taking a walk in the park and really experiencing nature, smelling her, feeling her, hearing the sounds. Those are way, and that's a wonderful Venus way. Venus is saying, rest and relax by something that is beautiful to us, aesthetically pleasing. It could go to the botanical gardens or maybe to the museum. Some place that rejuvenates us and brings our life back for us. And don't forget, we are not alone. Not only do we have our brothers and our sisters around us who support us, but we also have our folks up there too who are I don't know what to call them, our spiritual cast of characters supporting us as well. We are not alone. With this our affirmation, I am part of all I see. This is really important, that we are part of everything, and everything is part of us. So we're going to leave you with those thoughts today. Just remember, if we find ourselves getting into an emotional confrontation, step back, take those 3 breaths. Remember to try to catch the big picture, and don't forget to take time for us to renew, rejuvenate. And today it works really well if we go to the museum, or just I'm feeling a walk in nature myself would be a great way to rest and rejuvenate ourselves. And finally, don't forget, we're not alone. We are all in this together. We're all working our way through this Aquarian age. Please come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do some daily inspirational messages as well as interesting memes. If you like what you see today, please like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And it does support me in the channel and helps me to learn and grow. And remember, the keynote for this station is life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great Tuesday and express our appreciation to everyone, because Mercury is in Leo. We can tell everyone today how much they mean to us. Namaste.